Want to lose weight without giving up flavor? Today, discover 5 delicious Japanese slimming meals, each under 400 calories. Japanese cuisine is all about balance, fresh ingredients, and mindful eating, perfect for a healthy lifestyle. These aren't just salads or bland veggies. We're making hearty, flavorful dishes that leave you full and happy. From savory grilled fish to a guilt-free dessert, you'll find new favorites for your meal prep. I'll walk you through each recipe step by step, sharing tips to make them easy and tasty. Get your aprons ready. Let's make some seriously delicious, healthy food together. Let's get started. First up, grilled saba, mackerel. A classic Japanese dish that's both simple and packed with flavor. It's served with a crisp daikon radish salad, which adds a refreshing crunch and a hint of sweetness to every bite. Mackerel is rich in omega-3s and protein, making it a powerhouse for heart health and muscle recovery. This fish keeps you full and energized, perfect for a midday meal or a light dinner. All you need is a little salt on the fillet. No fancy marinades required. Grill the mackerel until the skin is beautifully crispy and the inside stays moist and tender. For the salad, grate fresh daikon radish and toss it with a simple dressing of rice vinegar, soy sauce, and just a touch of mirin for a subtle sweetness that balances the flavors. You can also add a sprinkle of green onions or sesame seeds for extra texture and aroma. The daikon's light crunch perfectly balances the rich, savory fish. Pat the fish dry, score the skin with a sharp knife, sprinkle with salt, and let it rest for 20 minutes to draw out excess moisture and get that perfect texture. Grill or broil until golden and crisp, letting the natural oils enhance the flavor. Squeeze excess water from the grated daikon so your salad stays light and not watery. Then toss with the dressing just before serving to keep it crisp and fresh. Assemble your bento. Place the saba fillet on one side and the daikon salad on the other. This meal is elegant, satisfying, and under 400 calories, making it ideal for anyone watching their intake. Mackerel and daikon make a classic fat-burning combo that stood the test of time in Japanese cuisine. Healthy eating can be gourmet, and this dish proves it with every bite. Try this for a lunch that's both light and delicious, yet deeply satisfying. It's a staple in my own routine, and I hope it becomes one in yours too. Enjoy! Next, a tofu and spinach hiyashi bowl. Clean, simple, and comforting. Blanch spinach quickly, then shock in ice water to keep it bright and fresh. Squeeze out water and chop into bite-sized pieces. For the broth, mix dashi or vegetable broth with soy sauce and mirin. Just warm, don't boil. Cube silken tofu for a creamy, protein-rich base. Place tofu in a bowl, top with spinach, and pour over the light broth. Sprinkle with toasted sesame seeds for crunch. This bowl is gentle, refreshing, and only 200 calories. Rich in calcium, iron, and plant protein. Perfect for a light lunch or dinner. Simple, pure, and so good for you. Try it for a nourishing meal that's easy on your system. Enjoy the clean flavors. Now, let's make a hearty, yet light chicken and mushroom donburi, a classic Japanese rice bowl that's the ultimate comfort food, but with a healthy twist. This dish is perfect for when you want something warm, filling, and nourishing, but don't want to feel heavy afterward. Start with lean chicken breast and fresh shiitake mushrooms. These ingredients keep the meal filling and protein-rich while staying low in calories and fat. Shiitake mushrooms bring a deep, earthy flavor that pairs perfectly with the tender chicken. Sauté the chicken slices until just cooked, then set them aside. In the same pan, brown the mushrooms to bring out their savory umami notes. This step adds depth and richness to the dish. Add the chicken back to the pan and pour in a fragrant ginger soy glaze, made with soy sauce, mirin, and plenty of fresh ginger. The sauce infuses everything with a sweet, salty, and slightly spicy kick. Let everything simmer together until the sauce thickens and beautifully coats the chicken and mushrooms, locking in all those delicious flavors. Serve the savory mixture over a bowl of steamed brown rice. Brown rice adds extra fiber and nutrients, making this meal even more satisfying and wholesome. Finish with a generous sprinkle of sliced green onions for a burst of freshness and color. This donburi comes in at just 380 calories per serving, but it's absolutely packed with flavor and nutrition. The mushrooms add bulk and a satisfying texture, plus that signature umami taste, all without piling on extra calories. It's comfort food you can feel good about. This recipe is quick and easy to prepare. making it ideal for busy weeknights or whenever you need a fast, nourishing meal. Enjoy a satisfying, flavorful bowl that's light on your stomach, but big on taste and comfort. Try this lighter take on a Japanese classic for a delicious, guilt-free meal that's sure to become a favorite in your kitchen. When the weather heats up, there's nothing quite as refreshing as hiyashi chuka, Japan's beloved cold ramen salad, perfect for summer days when you crave something light yet satisfying. Start by cooking ramen noodles until just tender, then rinse them thoroughly under cold water to chill and stop the cooking process. Toss the noodles with a little sesame oil to keep them from sticking and to add a subtle nutty aroma. Next, prepare your toppings. Julienne cucumber for crunch, carrots for sweetness and color, and lean ham for a savory touch. Don't forget the thin omelet ribbons, known as kinshi tamago, which add a delicate texture and a pop of yellow to your bowl. Arrange these colorful toppings over the chilled noodles. The vibrant presentation is as beautiful as it is appetizing, making every bite a feast for the eyes. The dressing is what brings everything together. A tangy, savory blend of soy sauce and rice vinegar, balanced with a touch of sugar or honey for sweetness, plus a splash of water and a drizzle of sesame oil for depth and aroma. Whisk the dressing until smooth, then generously pour it over the noodles and toppings, letting the flavors soak in. Arrange everything in a wide, shallow bowl for a stunning, restaurant-worthy presentation that's sure to impress. Each serving is only about 350 calories, so it's light, hydrating, and filling, making it ideal for lunch or dinner. Enjoy it on a sunny day, or whenever you want something crisp, cool, and bursting with fresh flavors. It's truly a party in a bowl. Fun to make, fun to eat, and perfect for sharing with friends or family. Try this for a vibrant, healthy meal that brings a taste of Japanese summer right to your table. It's a summer favorite in my kitchen, and I hope it becomes one in yours too. Enjoy every refreshing bite. Time for dessert. Matcha chia pudding with fresh berries, totally guilt-free. Chia seeds and matcha powder make a creamy, nutrient-packed treat. Mix chia seeds, matcha, sweetener, and your favorite milk, almond, soy, or coconut. Whisk well, let sit for 10 minutes, stir again, then chill for at least 4 hours. The chia seeds thicken into a pudding while you sleep. Spoon into a glass and top with fresh berries for color and tartness. Rich in antioxidants, fiber, and protein, keeps cravings away. Only about 150 calories per serving. The perfect healthy way to end any meal. Elegant, easy, and satisfying. Make a batch for meal prep or a quick snack. Enjoy dessert without the guilt. Try it and see how delicious healthy can be. That's it. 5 delicious healthy Japanese meals, all under 400 calories. From grilled saba to matcha chia pudding, you've got a full range of flavors and textures. Eating healthy doesn't mean boring food. These meals are nourishing and exciting. Mix, match, and make them your own with seasonal veggies or your favorite proteins. If you try any, tag me on social media. I love seeing your creations. Subscribe for more Japanese weight loss recipes and comment your favorite below. Until next time, happy cooking. Happy